Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, well, yes, these are shot glasses. So we're making shots. We're making mini beers, little beers, mini beer shots. They're called a lot of different things. It doesn't matter what you call them, they're delicious. So we're going to start with a couple of shot glasses. Then we're going to use Licor 43. This is a product of Spain. It's their #1 selling liquor. It's got kind of a vanilla taste to it. If you can find vanilla liqueur in a store, you can use that. But Licor 43 is readily available in most liquor stores. So we're going to need this, heavy cream. That's it as far as ingredients. And we're going to need a spoon. I'll show you why we need the spoon. So first thing we're going to do, let's fill these up about 3/4 of the way, or a little farther. Then we're going to take our cream and we're going to use our spoon here, because if you pour this, it's going to go straight down in. We want this actually to look a lot like a beer. So the heavy cream will sit right on top, just like a beer. Alright, take a look at those. Those kind of look like mini beers. If you have the shot glasses that look like beer mugs, they look really cool in those. So these kind of look like a 16-ounce bar glass of beer. So I think there's only one thing left to do, and that is give these guys a try. So cheers to our mini beers. That's really good. If you like vanilla and heavy cream, those are the bomb. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping at my channel. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a great day.